why did you choose the X630i as your choice?
Uh, Fantastic question. You know, we've been on this this journey now for a handful of years, and there have make no mistake, there are beautiful presses out there. There are beautiful single pass press, there are beautiful web fed press, there's beautiful sheet fed press. But we needed to find a press that we felt spoke to more of a sheet plant mentality, that spoke to more of the work that we're currently running, and not for us, not aspirational work, like very high quality, high performance display work, or very low quantity, high performance work. We need this big heart and soul of the middle part of our business.
Okay.
The reason we thought Domino was the perfect partner was because if you take, for instance, what Domino does in labels globally, is that they bring their technology, their service and support, their global vision to a market like labels, and they frankly do an incredible job becoming a market leader in that in that category.
Yeah.
So they saw an opportunity. They worked in line with the converting process. They worked with the substrate that was given to them, and what they did was they became a market leader there. What we understand is that Domino is essentially scaling up that ability to the corrugated industry.
Mm-hmm.
They've got the pedigree, they've got the innovation, they've got the leadership. What they're doing is looking at now a new industry and a new substrate, and they're going to scale up. We thought that was a good fit.